Hey folks, today I'm diving into something super important if you wear contact lenses. It's all about avoiding some seriously common mistakes that could damage your eyes. So let's get straight into it. First up, never sleep in your contacts, not even for a quick nap. Doing so can skyrocket your risk of getting corneal ulcers, a nasty eye infection that can lead to scarring, vision loss, or worse. You don't want that. Next, avoid water exposure. This means no swimming, showering, or rinsing your lenses with tap water. Water can harbor microorganisms that get trapped between your lens and cornea, causing infections. Yikes. And hey, if you're into DIY projects or sports, make sure to wear eye protection. Activities like hammering or sawing can send projectiles straight towards your eyes. If something does get lodged in your eye, don't try to remove it yourself. Instead, tape a paper cup over your eye and get medical help ASAP. Also, if you're on vacation and forget your contact lens solution, don't panic. It's better to toss out your contacts and deal with blurry vision than risk an infection by sleeping in them or rinsing them with tap water. Remember, your eyes are super important. Following these simple tips can help keep them safe and healthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.